Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing a really fun storybook subscription box that we received in the mail, and this is the box. It is from Imagine Me Stories. So they kindly sent us this parcel to unbox and show you guys. So these are my kids, Nina and Milan. Nina is 5 years old and Milan is 3 years old. Let's unbox it. I'm just going to move this over and
I'll unbox it.
Okay, bring the books out. So these are the books and the activities that are in the subscription box that you could receive. You could receive some books for preschoolers or nursery kids, and for older kids as well, and for little babies as well. This one is Easy Gizmo. And it's by Pip Jones, Sarah Ogilvie, illustrator of the Detective Dog. And it's such a pretty book. I really like the design of the front cover and the back cover as well. The illustration looks really good. The next book is Jabari Jumps. And it's a story of a little boy. Jabari is almost ready to make a big brave splash, and is by Gaia, Cornwall.
Cornwall?
Yeah, I like the front and the back cover as well.
Can I see the back cover?
We had this book before in the past. It's really one of our favorite books. It is Who Do I See in the Mirror by Philly and Friends, and it is written by Vese Ahohovbia Aladewolu. Yeah, I hope I got the pronunciation properly. They've also got some really cool activities for the kids to try, and this one is just a puzzle for the kids to, you know, draw lines diagonally, and they have to find the words and draw the lines on there. It says make your own windmill at home. So
I don't know how to use toilet paper.
Yeah, so I think they have to use toilet paper, colored pencils, scissors, glue, and a brass tack. This is George Washington, Carver. Alright, and we're going to read more about this. So this one is about some facts that the children can learn about. It also has William Kamkwamba on there. We're going to read about him, and I think this is the last one. So this one is called The Funny Folk Tales, and Why the Tortoise Has a Cracked Shell. I used to love folk tales as a kid when I was younger, so it would be nice for the kids to learn about that and draw a pair of wings on the tortoise. So that's really cool. I really love the activities that they've got. This is the sticker of Mary Seacole, and I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's really tiny. And let's see what else we've got here. Oh, there's more inside. We missed this one. This is a card. It says be kind and be courageous. So it shows like a picture of a lion on there. There's also a flyer for the Black Santa's Grotto Experience, which is coming this Christmas 2019, from the 21st to the 22nd of December at 55 East 63 East Street, SE17 2DJ. So if you're in London and you want to visit the Black Santa's Grotto, go check it out. That would be a good one.
Wow.
To visit Black Santa. It's also got this just a flyer, you know, talking about welcome to Imagine Me Stories, a bit of the background story, their goal, your box, supporting black-owned businesses, and donations to underprivileged black children. And yeah, so this one is also another flyer about...
Not just that one, if you turn it around.
Yeah, if you turn it around, it's just a flyer about Imagine Me Stories. And then this one is build your Egyptian pyramid. It's just for the kids to decorate their pyramid, write something about what they've learned about Africa on each triangle, you cut the lines and stuff like that. It's just another activity for the kids to do. A lovely subscription box where you get different activities for the kids to play with, different storybooks for them to read, and also they get to learn more about some historical black people, and just for them to feel represented and supported, really. And it's really brilliant because it's really good. I had some black storybooks that I still remember and I still love. We're talking about the Chinua Achebe's Things Fall Apart, Eze Goes to School. I hope you guys remember all those kind of stories. They were really fun. And even my favorite one was about a story about Kumurukiki. I don't know if you guys know Kumurukiki, but leave a comment down below if you read that book about Kumurukiki. I'm really I need the title of that book because I want to search that book out and get it. I enjoyed that story as a kid so much, and I really want to check it out again. So kids, now we're going to do some activities here, and we're going to read a story. Since we've read this one before, we're not going to read this one. So, which of these two do you want me to read for you?
Easy Gizmo.
You want the Easy Gizmo or the Jabari Jumps?
Easy Gizmo.
Okay, Sabi, you want this one as well? So, first off, we're going to read about the Easy Gizmo. I'm just going to read just a little bit about the story to the kids. Not everything, okay? So Easy Gizmo is a story by Pip Jones, Sarah Ogilvie.
This is our in my school.
Sarah Ogilvie. Right. Easy Gizmo, a girl who loved to invent, carried her tool bag wherever she went, in case she discovered a thing to be mended or a gadget to tweak to make it more splendid. And that's how it looks on there. But the trouble with things that have dials and switches is they don't always work. They have certain glitches. The tea menders, for instance. Then the swirly spark Sonic for eating spaghetti turned Grandpa's wallpaper into confetti, till out popped a piston and off dropped a knob. And that's the illustration. So that's the story about Easy Gizmo. And this one is Jabari Jumps by Gaia, Cornwall. So Jabari watches the other kids jumping off the diving board. Looks easy, he says. But when Jabari's turn comes, he squeezes his dad's hand. The diving board is high and maybe a little scary. So we're going to learn about Jabari and how he jumps into the pool. Into the water, isn't it? Yeah. And then this one is Who Do I See in the Mirror? As Philly looks at her reflection in the mirror, she realizes that from her curly hair to her legs that love to dance, she is unique. But what makes her truly special is her good heart and curious mind. The important message conveyed is for children to love the skin they are in. It's what you are on the inside that matters most. So this is a lovely story. The kids have this book already.
Look, here's them now.
Yeah, so kids, you guys are going to do some activities.
Get the coloring pens.
Get the coloring pens. So decorate the pyramid using your favorite colors. Okay, decorate it.
I like yellow.
I want to paint as well.
Good.
Yeah. Kabi, you paint this one purple and I'll paint this one orange.
I'll paint mine both with yellow and pink.
And then they said, write something new you learned about Africa on each triangle. What did you learn about Africa? I think Africa is big. Africa is big.
Africa?
Yes. Nina, what else do you know about Africa?
They have pyramids.
Pyramids. Pyramids. What else do you learn about Africa? Africa has happy people. Happy people. And what else?
Beautiful types of places. Type of places. What?
Beautiful. Beautiful places. And what else? This is Africa. Okay. That's good. Now they said cut the straight lines. Let me get the scissors. So the instruction says write something you learned about Africa on each triangle, and the kids have said Africa is big, Africa has pyramids, Africa has happy people, Africa has beautiful places, and this is Africa. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do is cut along the straight lines, including the flaps. So we're going to cut it right now. Okay. So this is the finished design of our pyramid. Unfortunately, we do not have glue. But
we could use sellotape even.
This is the finished look of our pyramid. And so this one says happy people. This one, what does this say?
A pyramid.
Pyramids. This one says
Big.
big. And this one says Africa. Oh, hold on. Yeah, so that's really cute. Right. So this is a little background story about Imagine Me Stories. Imagine Me Stories was created by Keisha Ehige, a young black mom who struggled to find representative books for her 3-year-old daughter. She realized that many black parents were facing similar issues and decided to start a subscription service to help parents source representative books and to demonstrate the need for more diverse books in the UK publishing industry. So yeah, and your box each month, they send you 2 to 3 specially selected books with black characters, along with a range of activities to help your little one learn all about black history and culture. Also included is our Black Icon Reading Club poster with a sticker to encourage your little one to learn about a different black icon each month. So that's a really, really brilliant thing that they are doing.
Yes.
So kids, I want us to read about Madam C.J. Walker. That's her picture right there. So you guys are going to color this. Before we color, we're going to read about her, okay? And she is America's first female self-made millionaire. So Sarah Breedlove, 1867 to 1919, also known as Madam C.J. Walker, was an African-American entrepreneur. Do you know what that means?
No.
It means that she was a business owner, okay? So she invented a line of highly successful hair products. You know your hair and beauty products mommy uses for your hair?
Yeah.
So this woman was the first person to invent her one, okay? Including unique hair creams and hot combs for black consumers. Okay, so now she says, color me in. How many combs can you see? Kabi, can you count the combs?
1,
Yeah.
4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12.
There's 12 combs. So now kids, you guys are going to color the combs. Kabi, you want to come this way?
How do we color this one?
Okay, come this way. Come this way. Come color. Come over.
No. Your eyes is gonna be orange.
Color this. No, Nina, color the comb so that we can color this side.
Okay.
Can we color the comb as well? This comb. Color it.
I just like green. Not green, no. I don't like green. The music is this. What?
So that's it for our video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing video of Imagine Me stories with the kids. Please make sure you like this video, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. It would be my pleasure to have you as a viewer, and do stick around, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Bye!
Say bye!
Bye!